Hairstyles. Today I have Helen with me and we are going to do a super cute haircut. She likes it really short and easy, and so I wanted to do this haircut and show you. So I'm just going to come straight across the back. Just do a blunt back on the hairline here. Okay, then I'm just going to take my trimmers and just clean this up. Okay, then I'm going to start up here on the top, and like I said, she likes it short, so I'm just going to point cut into this. I would say it's a couple inches long on the top. Well, is that a couple inches to you? Inches are different for everyone, so 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Anyway, point cut into that. And then the back, she really likes super short. So just hold your fingers right up against her head. Okay, and then same thing here. And then I have my fingers against her, you know, her head. That's how short the back is. Then I just follow her head shape here. So a 90-degree angle. And then here it's not, it's just like I say, just really close to the head and coming down on this nape area. Just keep it tight. So you can see. And I'm holding straight out there and then holding it really tight down by her ear and the nape right there. Okay, and then I'll come on this side, sorry. And then I just hold the ear down and I take my shears and just take that hair off like that. So it's nice and short right there. Okay, now we're going to do this side. Same thing, just cut into that. Come on a 90-degree. Shape of the head, and then really tight back here. She doesn't like to deal with all this hair. So straight out here on the sides. Okay, and then same thing on this side. You're just going to comb the hair this way. Hold the ear down. Just take that hair short on the sides. Okay, then the top. She likes to just wear this fun and messy, just kind of straight up. So you're just going to come straight across here. Point cut into that also. If you want the bangs a lot longer, you're going to angle up. If not, just come straight across. We used to do hers a little bit longer. The last few times we've been going more straight across, so she has more to just mess up through this area. And she's really enjoyed that. Right? Has it been easier going shorter?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so then I'm going to come on my sides, come from the ear, and I'm almost going straight up. You can see that. Okay, and then straight out on the sides here. Point cut into that also. Okay, and then I'm just going to come up around the ear right here. Okay, and now this side, I'm going to hold that straight out. Okay, then I'm just going to come by her ear also. And then we like this pieced out, so I'm just going to bring my shears in here and just kind of close through that. Okay, and then with Helen's hair, she has a lot of it. It's more fine, but she has a lot of it. So we love to use the razor. We can just come in, take chunks out through here. See the hair coming out? And make sure wherever you are doing the razor, make sure it's not like in a part where it's going to poke out. Just kind of watch that real good. Okay, and then through the sides and the bang area, I just kind of grab the hair, hold it. Now, if you want to take a lot of hair out, you're going to use a lot of pressure. If you just want to kind of shave it out, you're going to use light pressure. So depending on how much you want, kind of using about medium pressure on Helen. Okay, now I'm going to take this out. Now what I'm going to do is just take the texturizing shears and kind of go through it also. Just because with her type of hair, she needs a ton of texture to get it to stay poking up, huh? Especially week after her cut. So yeah, we like to do a lot of texture on her. Okay, now I'm going to use the root lifter, you guys. This helps it stay up also, so you don't have to do a ton of back combing. Just kind of holds it up. So you just spray that in the root area and then go around with your fingers like that. That's the root lifter. This is the Moxie Magnifying Mousse, and this is all from Monate. Best product ever, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to dry it. I'm going to plug this in real fast. Okay. So the back you're just going to dry down. Okay, so you get to your sides, you're going to dry that, but move your hand back and sides, you're going to want to just kind of dry off here to the side. I'm going to dry that front just a little bit more. Oh, good. Good, good. She said she likes her color. We just colored her hair, so that was fun. Okay, so I can see right here it's bulky, so I'm just going to take my shears and kind of come through this. Just take a little bit of that hair out. Okay. Okay, so through the top, just going to grab this hair, pull it straight up, just out from her head. This will feel better to Helen. She's been long, huh? That was long to you. Okay, now I'm going to take 2 little drops of oil. This will put a ton of shine into the hair, very light. You can come put that in the hair, give it that shine. And then this is the replacement of distortion, you guys. It's amazing. It's from Monet. It's the clay, and it's very, very soft, but yet it pieces the hair out. And I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm going to turn her to the front, just so I can finish styling this. Yay, you have color again. See how fun her bangs are? They're just very pieced out from the razor. Okay, and you can see how that root lifter just lifted it up, and with it being short, she doesn't need to back comb. So anyway, now we can spray. She is set, and I will turn her around so you guys can see the back. And the front. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Pretty please. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.